video. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Jam. By the way, this is a full game. It takes like 20 minutes to download. So yeah, let's get started with the game, shall we? Well, my sister's next to me. She's downloading it, but I'm gonna teach her. And
Yeah.
say hi.
Hi.
Now let's go into the game. I don't know if many people got this game, so if they don't, they can watch this video and then they can play it. Get the game and play it. Because I said the name Animal Jam, so they know what the called. Now you go to play new, press that. Sorry about that, guys. I just got bad throat. Haven't I, Lise?
Huh?
I got bad throat, haven't
Yeah.
I? Of box gym.
Guess what, mine was on 80.
She's just getting the game. Oh, why am I in here? No, don't matter, guys. Don't worry about that. First, I'm going to show you around my house and my garden. My beautiful garden. So, go to house, and then you'll load up, and then see the house. You can see your own house.
My world.
So this is my outside area. The gate is to go out, so when I'm going into my house, I got rainbow wallpaper. There's my house now, so we go and play some games. Let's play Oval. By the way, guys, I've added the video edit before, so if you want to watch it, you can. Because not many people got this game. I don't know why it's so fun. Isn't it, Lee?
Yeah.
By the way, By the way, my sister has done some YouTube videos, so she wants to get some followers. So please subscribe to her channel. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Oh, her game of download. I'm gonna probably end this video in 10 minutes. Quit. Should play. Lucian, is it downloading?
No. I have to go delete some games.
Lucia, remember what I told you? Don't worry, guys, about that. So now we're going to play some more games. Well, yesterday I did do a video of this, so you can watch both of them. You got both parts. You can watch every part of it. And please don't click off it when you're watching it, because just Please don't. Well, it's morning for me right now. If you live in England or Scotland, please. Yep. Big shot I got there.
Yeah.
I just got a big ice. I went like this, that's why. Fell away out. Stop breathing in my face, please. Try again. Please. Yep. Oh no. I'm gonna yes. Well, right now I'm gonna go to my house to place my teddy down. What? Where are my other teddies? I'm more teddies. Oh wait.
Why have you got a bucket and spade?
Because I bought it.
Oh. I'm breathing in my hand. I'm breathing in my hand.
Guys, I got loads of teddies. Got a load of teddies.
Oh, you got loads of teddies. I thought you never won one.
Yeah. One minute ago. There. Shall I end it now? It's been 7 minutes.
How do you know?
So done. This completes my end of my video. So please hit that subscribe button and please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. If you want to know my name, hit a link down below.